What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Quick tap into ZCASH today. It's making more crazy moves. As we can see, it's already up 20% on the 24-hour window. It's had a bit of volatility. It's had quite a lot. It went from $480 down to $390, back up to $476. Absolutely insane scenes. And look, ZCASH's 9th birthday was just a few days ago, so happy birthday to the ZCASH ecosystem. That's pretty cool to see. Now, crypto has hit sub 20 on the RSI. It's been a long time since we've seen the fear come down this low. The last time it was here was in April 2025, and we're pretty much back down to these lows again. You can see we're getting similar, almost down to 15, not quite there, but there's a lot of fear in the market right now. That's absolutely true. Anyways, $475, guys. Do want to say, of course, this is not financial advice, but right now, privacy coins are still on that 7-day time span leading. They're up 30% according to this sector performance. On the month, they're also up extraordinary. Oh yeah. So correction in the market, personally, I think personally healthy. Stay low on leverage here. And, you know, of course, the hodlers usually always win when you look at a 5-year market strategy or a 3-year market strategy, whatever it may be. So here we can see ZCASH is nullifying all technicals because this is crazy. The amount of support every time it tried to lose $366, ZCASH flew back to the upside. It is just so extremely volatile. You would not expect it to still be pumping with this particular chart pattern. It's so diverged. It's so weird. If you look at the price action, you can see it's making higher tops, but the relative strength index is making lower lows on that 4-hour time frame. Of course, it's not a terrible thing, but it is kind of odd. And even here on the daily relative strength index, we can see that it's forming lower highs, but the price itself is doing the complete opposite, right? Lower highs on the RSI, but higher highs on the RSI, the price action. So I don't know honestly how much higher this thing can go. I do think it will get back to $300 at some point, but right now it just feels like someone out there in the world wants this thing to get to $1,000, which would be absolutely insane if it happened, and I wouldn't even be surprised if it happened. But right now, you know, very risky to ape in large amounts, both long and short positions. I think even on spot buying this thing, it's going to be potentially risky, right? So don't risk more you can afford to lose. I think it's incredible to see the rally here that we've seen for ZCASH, but clearly it's struggling around the $480 mark where it has got quite a bit of resistance. And even with this rising wedge pattern, it just completely nullifies. It's just had such a good upside over the last few weeks. It's just been on fire all the way from the start of October, over $300. And no one saw this coming. Privacy coin narrative, no one saw this thing coming. It's a completely new beast, and it's in all-time high right now. It's in market capital all-time high, but also price structure all-time high for the first time since 2021. It's not had an all-time high by price for a very long time. But actually, you can see when it listed initially, it was in thousands somehow. So yeah, ignore what I said there. But guys, just want to say, please join the Discord channel. It's completely free to join. Say hi, hang out, share your trades. Some people are making incredible gains. You could also be potentially making some great gains like the traders in the group. Shout out to Wayward. Shout out to Wayward again. Shout out to I'm Mr. Anon. Lovely long trade over here. Looks beautiful. Who else is doing some good work? Arc the Viking. That was a huge one. That is my guy. Big. Also over here, Nuggets and Fries, and some great activity from you. Look at this. Look at that. Every single trade. Damn. I mean, there's a lot of leverage. You're very brave. Ahmed Duksan as well. Up 143%. Beautiful stuff to see over here, guys. So yeah, I think the market is an interesting one, and you know, it's hard to say what November will be because month from month, just trying to guess what's going to happen in the market's crazy. But you know, we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen. ZCASH all-time high. I'm not going near it because I don't buy coins that are just all-time high. I'm not really a fan of it. And you can see this is seriously topped out on that weekly RSI now. Let's see what happens. Guys, subscribe, like, comment. If you're looking for another exchange, check out Bitchnix, also down below. Very low fees, globally accessible, no KYC needed. You can copy trade the pros on this. You can also stake and do other cool things. Have a little look because we're partnering with the best and bringing you the best, and you might get some nice, juicy sign-up bonuses. Bye for now.